Russia is among the few countries in the world that have witnessed a long, continuous, and advanced evolution in submarine development. From the era of the Soviet Union to the present day, Russia has not only developed nuclear-powered submarines but has also introduced advanced technologies in diesel-electric submarines. These submarines have been equipped with ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and in recent years, hypersonic missiles, which are considered the backbone of Russian naval power. In 2022, Russia indicated a new direction when it presented the concept of a fifth-generation submarine to the public. This concept was named Arcturus. Arcturus is actually the name of the brightest star in the Boötes constellation, and the name itself symbolizes a vision pointing toward the future. It is important to clarify that Arcturus is not an operational submarine at present but a conceptual design that was unveiled at the 2022 Army exhibition. Design philosophy of Arcturus. The most distinctive feature of the Arcturus submarine is its external design. Unlike traditional submarines, it features a wider hull, while its displacement is shown to be nearly 20% lower. This means the submarine can move more efficiently underwater with reduced weight. The hull of Arcturus has no sharp edges. Its surface is smooth, and angled slopes scatters sonar waves instead of reflecting them back. This is the same principle used in fifth-generation stealth aircraft, such as the F-22 Raptor and the B-2 Spirit. Arcturus applies this stealth philosophy to the underwater domain. Additionally, the curved lines on its surface reduce water turbulence, which lowers hydrodynamic drag, and makes the submarine quieter and more stable. Propulsion system and stealth. A specialized propulsion system has been proposed for Arcturus, with the primary goal of minimizing noise. According to the design, water is drawn in through 4 intake ducts located on the upper and lower sides of the rear section of the submarine. This water passes through an internal system and is expelled through rear nozzles, generating thrust. The entire system is a shrouded propulsion system, meaning the propulsion unit is enclosed within a protective casing. One advantage of this design is that noise generated by the impellers is suppressed within the ducts, reducing the acoustic signature. Another advantage is that in icy regions like the Arctic, ice fragments cannot damage the propulsion system. Surrogat-V, the unmanned underwater partner. Another key element in the Arcturus concept is the Surrogat-V unmanned underwater vehicle. It is an autonomous underwater vehicle that can be used alongside the submarine for various missions. The primary roles of Surrogat-V include searching for enemy submarines, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. This UUV is stored in the rear payload bay of the submarine and can be deployed independently when required. The design of Surrogat-V features blue triangular markings, while red markings at the front indicate sonar and navigation systems. Surrogat-V may also be equipped with an advanced wake detection system. When a submarine moves, it creates subtle changes in the water, such as variations in temperature, salinity, and pressure. These changes persist for some time and form a distinct trail, known as a wake. A wake detection system uses these traces to track enemy submarines without revealing itself to enemy sonar. This capability is considered extremely important in silent underwater warfare. Payload and weapon concepts. In the Arcturus model, 12 large payload or missile tubes are shown near the rear section. Some of these tubes may be intended for a vertical launch system, while others appear to be allocated for large autonomous underwater vehicles. The submarine also features 4 torpedo tubes with muzzle doors on both sides. Various hatches on the upper hull indicate the positions of periscopes and sensors. It is possible that Russia may equip Arcturus with supercavitating torpedoes, such as Shkval. These torpedoes create bubbles in the water, forming a cavity around themselves, which reduces drag and allows for extremely high speeds. Possibility of nuclear propulsion. Like other modern Russian submarines, Arcturus may also feature nuclear propulsion. Similar to the Boreai and Yazan classes, it could be powered by a high-output nuclear reactor, allowing it to remain submerged for extended periods. Russia is also working on advanced nuclear systems such as molten salt and cooled salt reactors, which have a lower thermal signature. This characteristic could further enhance the submarine stealth. Arcturus is not an existing submarine, but a concept. However, this concept clearly shows that future underwater warfare will be quieter, more automated, and increasingly reliant on unmanned systems. Arcturus represents the direction in which Russia aims to take its naval power in the coming decades. Follow BattleTechInsider for defense and military analysis based on facts with no propaganda and no hype.